I'm really short of words, but all I just want to say is thank you to everyone for making me a part of what is an incredible memory. I think all of you will remember these moments, right? I think, like we always say, it's not about the runs, it's not about the wickets. You'll never remember your career, but you'll remember moments like this. So let's really enjoy it. I could not be more prouder of you guys to come back the way you did, the way you fought, the way we worked as a team, the resilience. There's been some disappointments over the years where we've come close, we've never been able to cross the line. But what this bunch of boys has done, what all of you have done, what everyone in the support staff has done, the hard work that we've put in, the sacrifices that we've made, I think the whole country is really, really proud of each and every one of you and what you have achieved. And all of you should be, right? I think there's so many sacrifices that each and every one of you make to see your families here today, enjoying it. So many of your families back home. Just think about all the sacrifices each and every one of them has made since the time you were kids for you to be here in this dressing room today. Your parents, your wives, your children, your brothers, your coaches. So many people have made so many sacrifices and worked so hard with you for you to enjoy this memory in this moment, right? Really, really proud to have been a part of this memory with you guys. All I can say is thank you so much, man. I really am short of words, and I'm not usually short of words, but on a day like today, I think, for me to just be part of this, I could not be more grateful. I could not be more thankful for the respect, for the kindness, for the effort that each and every one of you have shown to me, to my coaching staff, to my support staff. Thank you so much. Just like to say, Ro, thank you very much for making that call to me in November and asking me to continue. I think it's been such a privilege and a pleasure to work with each and every one of you, but also to Ro. Thanks for the time. I know as a captain and a coach, there's a lot of times we have to chat, we have to discuss, we have to agree, we have to disagree at times. But thank you so very much. I think, it's been brilliant to get to know each and every one of you as a person. And yeah, I think it's your moment, guys. It's your moment. Remember it. It's not about any individual. It's about a team. We won this as a team. We did everything that we did for the last 1 month as a team. It's about all of us. It's not about an individual. It's about all of us. Thank you. Very well done. Could not be proud. Let's party. Let's really enjoy this. Okay? Yeah. Behind a great team, there's also a successful organization. I'd just like to acknowledge the work of the BCCI and the people behind the scenes for the work and stuff they've done for us. Each and every one of us comes through a system. Each and every one of us comes through an organization that gives us the opportunities to grow and play. So thank you very much. Well done.